Lightest checked luggage for international travel is the ultimate game changer for those who want to maximize their packing capacity without worrying about strict airline weight limits. When you're heading out on a major journey across the globe, you need a spacious, checked bag that can handle rough airport transit while remaining incredibly easy to maneuver. In today's video, we're breaking down the top-rated checked suitcases that combine ultra-lightweight engineering with heavy-duty durability to protect your valuables on long-haul flights. These picks are hand-selected for their exceptional weight-saving materials, smooth, gliding multi-directional wheels, and robust structural integrity, making them the perfect companion to eliminate airport travel stress. Check the links in the description below for the latest prices and reviews. Now, let's get started and find the perfect lightweight suitcase to make your next international trip completely hassle-free. Number 1. Swiss Gear 7272 Energy Expandable Hard-Side Luggage. If you are searching for a highly reliable and spacious check-in bag for your next major journey, this 27-inch black suitcase is an outstanding choice. Engineered with an exceptionally rugged, impact-resistant hard-shell exterior, it acts as a formidable shield that protects your valuables from the intense handling of airport transit. The multi-directional spinner wheels glide quietly and smoothly, making navigating through crowded terminals entirely effortless. Security is elevated with a built-in TSA-approved combination lock, ensuring hassle-free customs checks and total peace of mind. Whenever you require additional packing capacity for family essentials or holiday souvenirs, the clever, expandable design immediately grants extra volume without compromising the bag's overall structural integrity. Its sleek, all-black professional finish looks remarkably sophisticated while easily hiding scuffs. Combining enduring strength, immense capacity, and user-friendly engineering, this dependable suitcase successfully eliminates airport travel stress. Number 2. Kenneth Cole Reaction Out-of-Bounds Lightweight Hard-Shell 3-Piece Luggage Set. Designed for travelers who prioritize absolute convenience, versatility, and modern aesthetics, this charcoal-colored 3-piece collection includes perfectly sized 20, 24, and 28-inch suitcases. Each piece features a remarkably lightweight yet deeply resilient hard-shell construction, allowing you to load massive amounts of clothing without creating physical strain or pushing you over strict airline weight limits. The high-performance four-wheel spinner system provides exceptional multi-directional mobility, ensuring you can move fluidly through tightly packed airport lines. Robust, ergonomic handles offer a highly secure and comfortable grip during heavy lifting or loading. The striking charcoal finish provides a highly sophisticated, premium appearance that coordinates beautifully with any travel style. Offering an ideal harmony of long-term durability, organized internal compartment storage, and unbeatable value, this comprehensive set is a fantastic investment for both quick weekend getaways and extensive family vacations. Number 3. Samsonite-centric 2 Hard-Side Expandable Luggage. This premium 2-piece olive collection offers a highly functional combination of a 20-inch carry-on and a 24-inch checked suitcase, perfect for streamlined travel. Crafted from a high-quality, impact-absorbing hardshell, it delivers superior protection against structural damage, keeping your delicate items perfectly pristine. The ultra-smooth spinner wheels turn effortlessly in any direction, providing silent and responsive mobility across various airport surfaces. When you need extra packing room, the advanced expandable design provides immediate additional volume, allowing you to pack systematically. The unique earthy olive colorway looks incredibly stylish and ensures your bags stand out instantly on busy luggage carousels, saving you precious time after landing. Featuring exceptionally strong zippers and comfortable, sturdy handles, this lightweight set delivers maximum travel confidence, making it a premier choice for frequent flyers demanding long-term reliability. Number 4. American Tourister Moonline Hard-Side Expandable Luggage. Bringing a highly attractive, fresh aesthetic to the world of rugged travel gear, this medium 24-inch rose gold suitcase is a brilliant blend of style and strength. The tough hard-shell exterior is specifically built to deflect heavy bumps and impacts, ensuring your packed clothing and gear remain completely secure. Moving through sprawling terminals becomes a breeze thanks to the exceptionally smooth gliding spinner wheels that distribute weight evenly. The integrated expandable feature provides excellent flexibility, giving you the much-needed extra space for last-minute packing or vacation souvenirs. Inside, the suitcase boasts thoughtful, neatly organized compartments that make packing intuitive and quick. Its stunning Ascending Gardens rose gold finish delivers a distinct premium look that radiates modern elegance. Combining a lightweight build with heavy-duty resilience, this attractive checked bag is the ultimate companion for making your next journey entirely stress-free. Number 5. Universal Trotter 3-piece high-capacity lightweight vintage PU leather luggage set. If you want to make a powerful style statement while maintaining maximum packing utility, this vintage ivory cream trunk collection is the ultimate choice. Featuring carry-on and checked sizes, this set is wrapped in premium water-resistant PU leather that beautifully combines a classic retro look with modern durability. The high-quality material effectively shields your belongings from unexpected rain, keeping everything perfectly dry. Equipped with advanced 360-degree spinner wheels, it allows you to move massive amounts of gear fluidly and effortlessly in any direction. The deep, spacious interiors are meticulously tailored with elegant compartments to keep your garments organized systematically. The pristine ivory cream finish radiates high-end luxury, ensuring your luggage looks clean, professional, and highly sophisticated. For travelers seeking a unique, structurally sound, and highly fashionable trunk-style luggage system, this gorgeous set delivers absolute satisfaction. Number 6. Swiss Gear 4010 Soft Side Luggage with Spinner Wheels. Engineered specifically for flyers who prefer the flexible packing convenience of fabric bags, this medium 23-inch black suitcase is exceptionally light and robust. The heavy-duty soft side fabric is deeply resilient against intense wear and tear, effectively resisting scratches and dirt throughout demanding trips. Navigating through busy airport crowds feels completely effortless thanks to the smoothly rolling spinner wheels that turn fluidly on different floors. The interior is a masterpiece of organization, featuring multiple external and internal pockets that allow you to access your travel essentials quickly. It comes equipped with a sturdy, comfortable telescopic handle that provides a reassuringly solid grip during extended use. The classic black colorway delivers a universally sleek, professional aesthetic that suits any corporate or casual itinerary. This lightweight, highly dependable suitcase perfectly balances structural flexibility with long-lasting performance. Number 7. Pelican Air 1615 Travel Case. Representing the absolute pinnacle of elite heavy-duty gear protection, this premium black travel case is built for extreme durability in the most punishing environments. Molded from cutting-edge impact-resistant materials, it offers a virtually impenetrable shield that keeps your expensive electronics and fragile items completely safe from severe shocks. It features a secure, double-throw latching system that guarantees the case remains tightly sealed during rough airport handling. Transporting heavy equipment is simplified by the high-performance multi-directional wheels and an incredibly robust handle that fits comfortably in your hand. The open-wide design provides immediate quick access to the spacious interior, which features thick protective padding to secure items neatly. Its sleek, all-black professional appearance makes a powerful statement of quality. If you are a frequent traveler who refuses to compromise on absolute structural integrity, this defensive powerhouse is the ultimate choice. Number 8. Samsonite Octave Lightweight Hardshell 3-Piece Luggage Set. This stunning blue denim 3-piece collection brings an exceptional level of modern styling, advanced impact resistance, and spacious organization to your family adventures. It features cutting-edge 360-degree AeroTrack spinner wheels that absorb ground vibrations efficiently, ensuring unparalleled smoothness across uneven surfaces. The adjustable telescopic handle conforms perfectly to your height, giving you maximum physical control over your luggage. Crafted from a high-grade, durable hardshell material, it acts as a tough barrier against bumps and deep scratches. The expandable compartments offer massive storage flexibility, while the integrated TSA-approved locks satisfy strict security standards seamlessly. Its bright blue denim color looks remarkably sophisticated and ensures your bags are immediately recognizable on crowded carousels. Lightweight and highly resilient, this premium set helps you bypass strict airline weight limitations while keeping your items secure.
Number 9. Briggs & Riley International 21-inch Carry-On Spinner. Renowned worldwide for superior craftsmanship and engineering, this 21-inch stealth black carry-on is a masterpiece of luxury travel gear. The high-performance hard-shell exterior is structurally reinforced to absorb heavy impacts, keeping your valuables perfectly safe inside. A standout feature is its proprietary self-repairing zipper system, which effortlessly corrects minor alignment damage, saving you from frustrating travel emergencies. The precision-engineered spinner wheels glide quietly and turn effortlessly, making transit lines completely stress-free. Designed to comply strictly with major international airline carry-on size regulations, it fits beautifully into overhead bins without any physical struggle. The sleek, stealth black finish radiates absolute professional quality, making it an excellent match for both men and women. With its highly organized interior compartments and lightweight design, this premium rolling bag elevates your overall travel experience to a flawless level. Number 10. Travel Pro Tour Light Soft Side 3-Piece Set. Offering a highly practical, all-inclusive solution for extensive travel itineraries, this blue 3-piece soft side collection features a compact carry-on, a medium checked, and a large checked suitcase. The lightweight construction drastically reduces carrying strain and lifting effort, allowing you to maximize your packing weight boundaries. Each piece is equipped with 4 smooth spinner wheels that allow effortless, quiet rolling through crowded airport terminals. The durable, flexible fabric exterior is specifically woven to resist intense daily wear, protecting your belongings systematically. When preparing for long family vacations, the clever expandable feature provides immediate additional packing space when needed. The vibrant blue finish looks exceptionally stylish, fresh, and is very easy to spot at the baggage claim carousel. Featuring strong zippers, comfortable handles, and organized internal compartments, this versatile set makes moving through crowds feel completely effortless.
Thanks so much for watching. If today's review helped you get a clearer idea of what you need for your upcoming international travel, give the video a like and consider subscribing. I share simple, honest reviews to help you choose smarter and save more on your travel gear. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop your questions or your favorite checked luggage choices in the comments. Until next time, take care, safe travels, and see you in the next video.